So this is the first tissue added, just come, and we created about tissue a little bit more detail before I apply with the second build-up. So this one is what look like. So I'm going to make the lighter in the future, more darker, lighter, darker, just like that. So after this is very important. In back side we add to, so I just a little bit brush down, so I need more smooth than bumpy. This tool from the Mio tool from the Jensen is really good. Not only luster, but this is the really I like it. Okay, so then now is the first week. You show them the number, the colors is more darker, right? And here is the medium pink. Okay, so here is the light pink. Okay, so that was my 3 components. I'm using the Lisi Martin liquid. This is the best for everything. So whenever I do, so I put, it's really delicate, is between the tooth. Then I put a little bit darker. I'm not saying all the time, but usually I put the little 3 different color right after build up, first build up. Okay, so here is the concentrated about the tissue. Here you can use any kind of build up brush, but a little bit pointy is better. Just make sure all the way. So I got the contour, okay, and then the whole sealed, and then you can use the brush, just cut it like this. Right, now move to the other one, so a little bit higher, so I can create it the U shape. (24) brighter color down like here. Okay, you can make the contour here down too, right? A little bit more. Now same thing. Like here. Here already dark, so I just put a little subtle. And then more lighter color between the tooth. So this is a key to make the aesthetic full mouth case. Down. I use the temperature 845. Right? Okay. I want to put just a little bit more in between the tooth. Okay, so turn this, here, this, here. Okay, same as this. We'll make tissue contour, okay? This. Down, show all the way. Here, the contour. This. All same here, okay? So same concept, but they put the here, there, so all same concept. Contours between the central. Alright, so maximize it here. Between the tooths. So here is more imperative, so we can make the same good golden proportion. Right? Okay. And then between those. See the here. So what I do. Okay. Okay. There we have this. Can make the ways more. Just a little bit more. All right. Notice that between the this, like I said, this one is very important because I'm not going to grinding the teeth. There already. Alright, now add it here. Then I can finish this rest of that. Using the endo tools, you can do that or you don't have to do it. But this is another indentation for the aesthetic. Alright. Then you can do with a brush. Just make it a little bit smooth, and that's about it.